Hello everyone, this is Asmi. Welcome to my channel. So basically yesterday announcement of notification of Tamil Nadu set exam has been released. So here are the official date. According to this announcement, date of notification is 20th of March, means it is about to come. So if you are going to check this website, you will not get anything over there other than this notification, correct? So your actual registration or actual notification, it will be effective from 20th of March. So yes, announcement has been made, but official notification is not available on the website yet, because the official date of notification is 20th of March, correct? Now the some changes that they are going to do here is that now the your test will be computer based test, correct? So this time your set examination will be based on the computer, just like your net examination. Now if I am going to talk about the another date, so date of commencement of applying through the online, it will start, online application will start from 1st of April. And what will be the last date? So last date will be the 30th of April. Approximately we will have 1 month, but try to apply in the beginning of April, means when your application are going to be open. And what will be the tentative date? So it is in the June, that is 3rd of June. So since they have given the intimation about the examination, they have notified us, so we should start the preparation. First thing you should notice that last exam that they were conducted in 2018, I have the question paper of 2018, and according to the analysis of those paper, the label of questions is below than the net examination. So if you are preparing for the June 2024, in parallel you can do the preparation of net TN set examination as well. According to the previous knowledge, the syllabus is same for the net examination as well as the set examination. So yes, approximately 3 months are there in our hand. Syllabus will be remain same. Question level will be little easier than the net examination. So what you have to do? Complete the syllabus. Second, solve the previous year question of the net examination and solve the previous year question of the TN set examination. That will be sufficient for your sufficient to crack this examination, correct? So what could be the approach you can follow? I will tell you in the next video. Well, what you should do, make a timetable, make the arrangement of previous year paper, that I am doing, and I will provide into my app, that is Rashmi @JRF Rashmi @JRF. So from there you can download the previous year question paper. For the content, yes, you can refer my courses. Content is more than sufficient for your examination. If you want to do the self study, first collect the material and then start your preparation. It is not going to be very hard examination. Just relax and start your preparation. For any further guidance, you can join me on my Telegram channel that I have especially created for the Tamil Nadu set aspirants. So here you can see कि जैसे I have a, yes, this is your channel. So it is Tamil Nadu set or TN set. So you can join this channel and you can ask your doubt, query, and I will share question paper as well here. So yes, join this. This is the QR code. Through this you can join this one. So further communication we will do here. So that's it. Thank you.